Kung naghahanap ka ng negosyong patok sa 2026, makinig ka muna dito. Hindi ito hype, ito yung talagang kumikita. Online services and digital hustle, content creation, video editing, social media management, AI services. Skills lang ang puhunan, pero hindi malaki ang kapital. Number 2, food business, simple pero scalable. Cloud kitchen, lutong bahay na ready to eat at frozen foods. Kahit anong mangyari sa ekonomiya, kakain at kakain ng tao, steady ang kita. Number 3, personal branding and coaching. Fitness, finance, mindset o negosyo. Kung napagdaanan mo na, pwede mo na yung pagkakitaan. Pang-apat, reselling and affiliate marketing sa TikTok Shop, Shopee, Lazada at Facebook. Walang sariling produkto, content lang may kita na. Lastly, local services, business laundry, water refilling, cleaning, delivery. Hindi ka sikat online pero everyday may pumapasok na pera. 2026 is your year. Choose one business, commit, and stay consistent. Mas maraming opportunities, mas matibay na mindset, at mas malaking kita para sa ating lahat. Tandaan mo, hindi kailangang perfect ang simula. Kailangan lang simulan. Follow for more negosyo at mindset content. See you sa next video!